Mr. Birkin presents Place Value Part 5, Comparing Decimals. And in this episode, we're going to be looking at, of course, Standard 5 point, NBT point 3. So, let's take a look at what that standard says. Get it full screen here. Read, write, and compare decimals to thousandths. Okay, and what we're really going to focus on, we've already written decimals and read them, but today we're going to compare them. Okay, that's what we're focusing on. And if you get a question that simply says something like compare 23 thousandths and 203 thousandths, what it means is line them up and tell me which one's bigger, which one's greater than or less than the other. So, let's go with the same order that they're in. So I'm going to write 0.023. I'm going to put a nice big circle in the middle. That's where I'm going to put my greater than, less than, or equal to. And I'm going to write 0.203. Now, when you're dealing with decimals, the best thing to do is forget that they're decimals. Okay, if I have the number 023, well, that's 23. The 0 in front doesn't change it at all, right? 23. And if I ignore the decimals here, I've got the number 203. Well, I think all of you could definitely compare 23 and 203. What is it? 23 is less than 203. So don't let the decimals fool you. Okay, the decimal points don't make it that much more difficult if you just ignore them and compare. Well, here I've got 23 thousandths. Here I've got 203 thousandths. Okay, same, they go out to the same place. So this is less than. Remember, we got three symbols: less than, greater than, or equal to. All right, so let's try another one. Now on this one, let's compare 0.31 and 0.2, and let's just leave it at that, 0.2. Now, I've got 31 hundredths compared to 2 tenths. Okay, well, can we annex a 0 at the end of this without changing the value? Of course we can. So I can easily write in 0 here. I'll even do it in a different color so you can clearly see that wasn't there before. Now, is it easier to compare? Well, I've got 31 compared to 20. Yeah, that's pretty easy to compare. 31 is greater than 20. So 31 hundredths is greater than 2 tenths, because 2 tenths is absolutely the same thing as 20 hundredths. So you are welcome to annex zeros behind if that helps you to compare the numbers. All right, and you're just looking for which one is greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, greater than, less than, equal to. And remember, in 5th grade, we're not looking at where the monster's eating or the alligator or whatever. Okay, you should know what these symbols mean. This one means the words greater than, this one means the words less than, and this one means the words equal to. All right, hope that helps you.